Hi guys, so I just wanted to show you how to download and install programs using Ninite, and I'm just going to show you how to do that. So Ninite basically is a program that allows you to download and install multiple programs at one time. So for example, let's just say you get a new computer and you want to download Chrome and an antivirus and a media player or some other things. Ninite, what that basically allows you to do is to download all of those programs in one installer, just to make it a simple, easy process so you don't have to go to each website to download the program you need. I'm just going to open Google Chrome and just type in Ninite. It's NINITE.com. Oops, didn't work. And so if you go to the website, basically the first step is it gives you a list of apps to download. So just for testing, I'm going to show you. I'm just going to check off the Opera browser and VLC media player. And Sumatra PDF. So once you have your programs checked off, whatever you're going to use, all you're going to do is click the Get Your Ninite, and when you click there, if you see here, the installer includes all 3 programs to download. So once it finishes downloading, you just click on it and then click Run. And then you can see it's downloading each program. So it downloads it and installs it, and just makes installing all these programs in one install just an easy process. And all of the programs on Ninite are always up to date, so you don't have to worry about getting an old version of VLC or Chrome. It's always the latest up-to-date programs. Also, they automatically say no to any toolbars to install or any junk. So it's a really convenient tool to use. If you're in IT and you need to set up a new computer, it can be very useful as well. Just while that downloads, I just want to show you real quick. They also have a Pro version, and basically the Pro version, if it loads, basically the Pro version will allow you to deploy patches or updates to different workstations that you have to update your program. So that's convenient as well. You know, they have different prices per month based on how many users you have, but I just use it for personal use. So you can see it's downloaded all 3 programs. So if I go back to my desktop, we see they're all here to be used. So that's just something I wanted to show you. It's a great, easy tool to use to download multiple programs that you need to install. So it's Ninite.com. That's NINITE.com. And it's just a very useful tool, and I just wanted to show you how to use it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.